Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to the Revell P-40B Tiger Shark build. Last time it was probably an uneventful video for people because with the light gray it's hard to see all the aluminum paint chipping that I did on the bottom. And you really kind of got to look for it, actually. You can see it up close. I tried to get the plane up to show on the landing gear door, and it would not focus very well. But in this video, as promised, I'm gonna do some exhaust streaking on the side of the fuselage on both sides. Let's put our flaps back in so we don't break them. That should be nice and dry by now. And we're gonna start with this side. I'm going to do the tips of each exhaust tip and then just kind of do a nice mess there. But what I did is I took my X-Acto knife and the black oil pastel, shaved off a few chunks here to work with, and I'm going to take the brush and just kind of make a mess of it. And kind of like this effect right in here is what I'm going to try to do on the plane here. So I noticed when I practiced on one of my little plastic cups, it took a while to get it to actually show up on the plastic. So it might take a few applications. Nothing else will dirty up the exhaust stacks. Oh yeah, it's starting to do something. Yeah, it actually, as you can see, it's already starting to make the mark. Not really sticking to my exhaust manifolds yet, but we'll see how it goes. Might have to do a little painting on those. Well, no, actually I had this idea. It depends on the light. Depends on the light you're looking at. Yeah, gives it a nice little, well, that'll work. We'll take it. There we go, kind of blending in with the, I like that. That's looking like a exhaust streaking. We're just gonna kind of then kind of fade it off maybe. An effect you can actually see. Awesome. Let me put this down. I want to see what they did on the, I'm going to put that on that again. Let's see how far they went. They kind of went, they didn't go as far as I thought they'd go. They didn't really do much at all on that, the side I did. It's mainly on the right side, but they didn't go too far. They went about as far as I did. Oh, careful. I've gone this far without breaking the plane. Let's try to not to break it. Yeah, I'm just gonna kind of do a little more. Fade it. Nice char there. Let's turn it around, and oh, that sound I'm hearing is my flaps clicking into place. I like how it went from, it kind of gave it a burn effect on the exhaust piping. There we go. Maybe not get as nuts as I did, and then I want to kind of blend it down like I did on the other side. There. I don't think we need to get too much more with that. Go into a yeah. I would like to get that. I like how I did the other side where it was kind of coming down. There we go. I like that. So I'm thinking maybe the brown's gonna give it a nice. I can't wait to do that. Actually, let's see if we can't get them exhaust manifold ends a little darker than that. I may take some black paint and just do the ends of them. Gives it a nice rusty effect though. I really like how this one turned out. It looks like it's flowing down the wing. This one is too, but kind of get that downward effect to it. But I think we'll call that for the exhaust streaking. Like so, and it's kind of a little harder than this one because of the olive drab. You can see a little better on the tan, but we have exhaust streaking. I think we'll call that a video, and in the next video we're going to get the brown pastel out and just dirty the whole plane up a bit. Do some little bit of streaking on the wings and whatnot. So I'd like to thank everyone for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.